Did you notice that agriculture sentiment just spiked to plus 0.28? That's a significant shift compared to its historical baseline, indicating an unusual optimism in the sector. With momentum at plus 0.33 and 20 semantic clusters to analyze, you're looking at a robust signal for potential investment or strategic planning. When you tap into our Agriculture Sentiment API, it returns real-time sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and semantic insights that you can leverage to inform your decisions. Imagine using this data to adjust your investment strategy based on the sentiment trends. If you're developing models for agricultural commodities, this could provide the edge you need to anticipate market movements. For more details on integrating this powerful tool, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Get started today and make data-driven decisions in agriculture.